In this video tutorial, I am going to tell you about optical fiber. So optical fiber is a flexible fiber or a transparent fiber made by drawing glass or plastic to a diameter slightly thicker than the human hair. So drawing is a mechanical operation. Okay, then construction. The optical fiber consists of three main parts. One is the central part, that is core, and core is surrounded by a jacket called cladding, and the core both are surrounded by a protective layer called the buffer coating. So this one is the core, that is having high reflective index. Then the second one is the cladding, that is low reflective index. Third one is the protective layer called the buffer coating. Okay, so first one, core is the central part of the optical fiber structure. Okay, it is present at the center of the optical fiber, and its diameter is in the range of 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer, and it is made up of glass, silica or plastic. Then cladding is a glass plastic jacket that surrounds the core, is called cladding. Okay, so the refractive index of cladding is less than that of the core. So why it is less than that of the core? Because the light needs to be traveled from what, denser to rarer medium in order to undergo what, total internal reflection. That is the what, condition of occurrence for total internal reflection. Okay, the light need to travel from denser to rarer medium, so the cladding is made less denser than the core, or the cladding is made rarer as compared to the core material. Then buffer coating for providing safety. It is made for providing safety and strength to the core cladding. Okay, it it, it surrounds the core or cladding, or the internal structure of the optical fiber. Okay, and provides strength and safety to the core. Okay, then principle of operation. The working of optical fiber is based on the phenomena of total internal reflection. When light is incident in one of the end at a small angle, it tries to get refracted into the cladding. So it is incident at a small angle and it tries to refract into the cladding. Okay, but the angle of incidence is more than that of the critical angle, so total internal reflection take place, and it takes place repeatedly. Okay, inside the optical fiber. Okay, the cladding is optically rarer than the core, with angle of incidence greater than the critical angle. The light suffers total internal reflection repeatedly. There is zero loss in the intensity of light. Less light easily travel even in bending of the fiber. Okay, uses the doctor use this concept in the endoscopy test. Okay, an optical fiber are extensively used in transmitting and receiving electrical signal in telecommunication by converting the electrical signal into some form of light energy by using suitable transducer. Okay, and third one is in the form of refractometer. This is used to measure the refractive index of liquid. Okay, so example of, so basic example that we have been used to we have been used to in our day-to-day life is the decorative light. Okay, so it is one type of best example of optical fiber. Okay, so thank you everyone.